Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you add the new payment method in the Amazon Shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the second option. And after you have done that and the new page opens, you should scroll down a little bit and you will see here the your account category, and right next to it the see all option. Press on that as well. And here you should scroll down a little bit, and under the payments category you should select the first option, which is your payments. Wait a little bit and you can see here that we are in the wallet section, and you can see your cards and accounts here. Now you can clearly see kind of in the middle of your screen the add the payment method. You should press on that. And you can add here an FCA or a HCA card, add the credit or debit card, add the personal checking account, or add an EBT card. Now for this example, I'm going to show you how to add a credit or debit card. You just press on it, and you can just scan your card by a picture, basically, or camera. And you can also write the card number here, the expiration date, the security code, and the name on card, basically. So you can choose between these two options. You either just use your camera or just write in everything by hand, and after that all you have to do is just press add and continue, and your card will be added basically as a new payment method. So yeah, this is pretty much all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.